Tools required for a successful vinyl sheeting installation. Tools for marking and cutting. Long straight edge. Short straight edge. Square. Trimming knives with straight and hooked blades. Tape measure. Chalk line. Vacuum cleaner. Clean broom. Tools for laying and welding. Hand groover. Electric groover. Adhesive trowel with clean blade. Pusher. Trimmer. Weld trimmer. Handheld hot air welder. Welding nozzle. 68 kilogram roller. After checking the condition of the subfloor, sweep and vacuum the floor to remove any dust and grit. Mark out room. Plan installation that sheeting joints do not occur in doorways or high traffic areas. It's important that a chalk line is used to demarcate the prepared area. After the rolls have been checked and confirming that the batch numbers are correct, unroll the sheeting on a previously cleaned floor 24 hours before installation to eliminate any roll stress. Relaxed rolled out sheeting needs to be measured and marked according to room layout. Mark with a straight edge. First cut with a straight blade using a straight edge. Cut with the hook blade. The cut sheeting needs to be swept. It's important to note that arrows should be drawn on the underside of the sheeting to keep the same direction when laying the sheeting. Unroll and loose lay the cut sheeting in previously marked room. Sheeting should be left to settle. The second sheet evenly overlapped with the first. Fold back each length of the sheeting approximately halfway. Re-sweep the floor. mark the line of the pulled back sheeting. Make sure the correct adhesive and adhesive trowel is used. Spread the adhesive evenly on one side of the pencil line. Do not leave any bare spots or pools. Once the adhesive has been applied with a trowel, it should be rolled with a paint roller to level the trowel ridges. Re-sweep the sheeting. Once the adhesive has become tacky, lay the sheeting into the adhesive. The sheeting is then pushed into the adhesive with a pusher. The sheeting is then rolled with a 68 kg roller in both directions to ensure good adhesive transfer and eliminate air bubbles. Fold back the second half of the sheeting and repeat the process. Trim the overlapping sheets, cutting through both sheets at once with a trimmer. Remove the cut-off pieces. Allow the adhesive to cure for 24 hours. Using a P-groover, groove along the seam to form a U-shaped groove approximately 3 mm wide and to a depth of approximately 70% of the sheet thickness using a straight edge. Or alternatively, groove along the seam with an electric groover. Preheat the hot air welder to 400 degrees Celsius. Feed the matching welding rod firmly into the groove by using a hot air welding gun fitted with a speed nozzle. The hot air melts the welding rod and joins the seam. Make sure you maintain a constant speed so as not to burn the welding rod or sheeting. The excess welding rod should be removed by using a weld trimmer with a guide plate. This will remove half the excess welded joint. When the flooring and welding rod have cooled, remove the guide plate and do the second trim with the blade only, ensuring that the weld has been cut flush with the material. Once the final trim has been completed, the welding rod must be glazed by directing the hot air gun over the welding rod. For any further information, please consult our Floor Layers Guide.